So just a quick video. So I have these two wheels, both my original Precedent and the one that we're in there burning, or building, not burning. I've ordered 4-inch lifts with 22 by 10 by 14s, right? So there's the size. This is the Modz wheel and tire combo, but this is the GTW, again, 22 by 10, 14, same size, Timberwolf tire. This tire, though, is significantly taller than that Modz one. So I do get a rub with this Timberwolf on the frame at full lock, particularly going right, I believe. And I can show you that here shortly, where it rubs. But I just wanted to show you before I put this last wheel on, the one we're building, this is the difference. We'll take a look at it just straight down. Should measure it, but when you're looking straight down, that other one is, it sticks out. So I just thought that was interesting, because I see a ton of posts about, what'll fit, what won't fit, and a lot of folks say you can get away with 22s. Again, the ones on the bottom, those Timberwolves, they rub a tiny bit, so it'll be interesting to see what happens with these Modz ones, because they are a little, when you stand them next to each other, they're about an inch shorter overall. So we'll continue to check this out. So again, this is the height difference with them standing next to each other. So clearly those Timberwolf ones are a tiny bit taller. So this is where I'm getting the rub. This is the little belly where the wiring harness goes through the lower body. So when turning right, I rub a little bit here. I'm going to take a quick peek at the other side just to see if it is hitting that frame. So back over here on the right side, so I'm getting that rub, like that is touching. So that's where we do get a hit. The other side I think will touch a tiny bit if you're moving and hit a bump at full, if you're like turning around in a field or something like that. Otherwise you don't. Just noticed I am getting a slight rub here on this headlight. Obviously that's turning left. Is that other side doing that? Nope. So we're good there. So yeah, these tires are just a hair too big, but I wouldn't say don't buy them. They look good. Just you hear a little bit of touching every now and again, but riffing it around, it's been fine. Just got to be careful is all. All right. That'll be it for now. Oh no, I won't say that'll be it. Let's we'll do a comparison with these on the other one. All right, so regarding wheel sizes, we rode this guy around a little bit. I got all the front end tightened down, and come to find out, the little touch of a smaller tire doesn't really make a difference. So it's still gonna hit a little bit on the, body right here. But that is very, very much turned over. So I don't hit it very often, but even with a 4-inch lift and these 22 tires, you'll hit a touch on the Precedent, just in that one little channel area. Left side is fine, doesn't touch the frame, everything is good there. So even these being a touch smaller than those Timberwolves, still get a little rub. So same difference, no big deal. But just thought it was interesting that they were that different size for those that are concerned about it. So that's it for this one regarding wheel size. We'll see you on the next one.